Hello guys, it's my Animal Jam, and we are at Greely's haunted hideout. And that here is green slime, and that is the Phantom Fortress carpet. That is so cute. And I'm covered, and we have a phantom fan, and actually, here is a phantom door. It goes up and down, and let's see, there's a movie going on. Let's watch it. Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Look at the giant phantom portraits! That is so alive, and it's chasing the little animals! Oh my god! And Gemma Township is on fire! Oh my god! Sorry. And this movie is about a wolf, a tiger, and a bunny. And look at that phantom looking around. And here's a phantom pipe. Phantom, don't know, that is their tentacles or something. I don't know, I think that is a phantom balloon or something. And a phantom eye elevator. And there's a phantom surprise, and the lines, and the circle, and the lines, like it's a cartoon. And it's like, looking at you. And there's a phantom window, and there's a phantom slide. Whee! Going down. And let's go. And you can destroy this phantom fan. Kaboom! Destroyed. Sorry, phantom. You can stay. And let's break this phantom lamp. Kaboom! Here is the Phantom Fortress. Here it is. And, oh, excuse me. Here is the Phantom Eye. And here is the Phantom Tube. You can break it, and it comes back. And there is a rock full of phantom slime in it, and another phantom lamp. You can destroy this, and a phantom watcher. Ah! Oh my god, the phantom, look at me. Oh my god. Phantom chest, it disappears, then reappears. Look at all those phantom goop. It has millions of eyes. A phantom coop. And also a phantomizer. And a phantom thing, I don't know. And you could go in. Then, I'm a phantom! Oh my god! And I have a cute pet phantom, and the boom seed, and the chopper plant. We're jumping, saying, yay! Don't know if I can't stop it. And the phantom thing, the phantom lantern, the spooky tree, and the phantom statue. Here, Gemma Township, and it's nighttime. Let me get back into a llama. Oops, wrong way. Come on. There we go. Now I'm back into a llama. And here's a phantom cage. So phantoms are not farting brown gas. They're passing gas. And I'm covered in goo again. And hope you guys, thanks for watching. Okay, bye, Jammers.